Hello, welcome to CG Tech. This is the fifth video of the WordPress series, and in this video we will see how we can edit our site to make the site as per our need, and we will also see some basic concept which can be useful in managing the site from WordPress dashboard. And this will not be a very long video, but it will take a little bit to explain everything, so be with us. Okay, now this is the WordPress dashboard as we can see from the previous videos, and here on the left panel you can see different options, and I will explain every section in few steps. Okay, this is the dashboard section. The first one is the dashboard section, where you can see all the notifications from all the plugins and different sections. So here you can see few pop-ups which can be from any plugin, which is sometimes the plugin suggests you to rate the plugin on plugin store, or some suggest to upgrade to the paid version, so you can leave as it is to this. And now we can see the next section is the post section. Post section is the most important section for the bloggers. If you want to make a blog, then post section is where you will write articles. We can see in new tab. Okay, if you scroll down to below, then you can see there is only one post. If you click on this, you can see there is a article named Hello World. You can just rename it, or you can also create a new article. From here you can see plugin, used SEO plugin, readability meter and SEO meter. If you type something here, then it will show to you that it has good readability or not, or what your article looks like in terms of SEO. And at the bottom you can see SEO section, where you can see from where you can improve your SEO by using a focus keyword and editing the meta description, which is very important if you are making your mind to go in blogging field. And here is the section of sidebar, if you don't want to show title after opening the article, then you can just check this box. Similarly, there's a few more options like disable primary header, disable mobile header, and from above you can choose the tags which you want to make stick to this article. So if someone search in your website with particular keyword, then this article will pop up. And above this you can choose the format. Generally people use standard format to write articles. Okay, this is after making all the changes. You can just use the update button to save the changes. So basically post section is to write articles for blogging. After this there is a media section where your all media files will get stored. After this you can see there is a page section. Page section basically are the static pages of the site. If you go to the page section, then you can see there are about page, contact us page, home page, portfolio page, privacy policy page. The pages is something which will remain same, and you don't need to update many times, because these are the static pages, and this is a home page. So home page generally don't change with time. but it will if you want to change, then it is okay, but generally people don't change the look every day. So pages are something like which stick to your site same. So after page section, I will in later videos in this video I will also show you how you can edit the pages and to make your site look professional. After page section, you can see the comment section. If somebody comments on your blog post, then you can see all the notification and comment all the comments here. You can just disapprove or delete the comment. All the settings will be here. After this, there's a Elementor section, plugin, which come from plugin. Here there are different options which we can see later on. After this is a template section, which is used to store the templates, ready-made templates, which we can use in designing the pages. And here are a few more options like WP forms. WP forms used to create web forms which we can attach, like if you go to our site here and go to contact, then you can see there is a web form from where visitors can enter their name, email address and their message, and just click on send message to get in touch. So these type of web forms can be created with the by using the WP forms. Okay, after this there is a appearance section, which is very helpful in while designing the web pages. So we will talk later about this in detail. There's a plugin section which I already installed the plugins using this section. The user section is used to create more than one accounts on WP dashboard. For example, if there is a writer and there is a tech team, then the tech team can edit the web pages and the writer can write articles. So both have a different role of job. So on the same dashboard, two people can work at the same time. So in order to divide these authorities, we can create different user accounts with different permissions. We can do this from these user sections. Later on we will show how to do this. After this there is a tools section, which is not of very use if you are a beginner. And after this there is a settings, from where there are general settings, reading, writing. For example, I am showing you how to use this setting. If you see your link of your post or pages, you can decide how your link will automatically assign to your pages and articles. So generally people use post names. It is very good for SEO purpose, so we can switch to this post name setting. After this there is a plugin setting, from where we can change the settings of Yoast SEO plugin. After this there's a WP optimize. As previously I told you that we can clear the cache memory and different small settings to optimize the WordPress site. After this there's a SSL gen and few more plugin settings below that. So this is how dashboard works of WordPress. Now we are going to make some changes to our site so that we can see how to use Elementor page builder plugin and how to make the changes. For this we can go to pages. Let's say we have to edit the home page. So for this you can go to home As you can see, home page is built using the Elementor page builder plugin during template installation. So we can edit the page using Elementor. So in order to edit the page, we can click on this edit with Elementor. Now we can see the page here, the whole page, but there is a header missing, so we can only edit the page section area with the by using the Elementor. So let's say if you want to edit this, I'm a web developer, then you can just simply click on it and you can change to any title. You can change to any title, and like this you can easily change any content of the page, like text. Just simply click on it. You can also edit it from here. Let's say if you want to make this test section bold, then simply select all, click on bold. Now if you want to change the background of this section, then go to advanced, and you can see there are many options. In these options you can see a option of background. You can change this color to, okay, let me see. Okay, now you can see you can change the background of this section like this. You can change to any color. There are more settings which are very useful. For example, if you want to change the margin of this, then you can do it also using layout section. If you want to increase the top margin, then here you can see the margin section, top, right, bottom, left. You can see how we can do. As you can see, if I am increasing the margin of top, then all the four side margin is getting increased. So you can just uncheck this. Now if you increase the margin of the top, then only top's margin will get increased. Okay. Likewise, you can also change the color of the button. Just click this pencil icon and you can see the button options to change. If you want the visitor to go to any particular link after clicking this button, then you can put the same link here in the link section. Now if you go to advanced section, then you can also change the background. Likewise we did in this section. Or you can, from the style, you can change the text color of the button. Let's see, I'm putting it black or some different color. Now if you want to change the background also, then you can also do this like this. So you can edit the button and put any link. Similarly, there are many elements, like this is a heading element, this is a button element, and this is the video element. No, sorry, this is the icon. Now if you move down, then you can see it is very easy to edit the site if it is already pre-built. So that's why I have used the template to create a site, because it takes very much less time. All you have to do is to change the text and images as per your need, and we are good to go. If you scroll down, then you can see the background, the texture is already pre-built, so you can change the color as per your brand color, change the text as per your need, theme. It's mainly depend on which type of site you are creating. So here are some settings. Let's say if you want to edit this, then you can't do this because this is a footer, and there is another section to edit the header and footer. You cannot do this from here. From here you can only edit the main page sections except header and footer. For example, now we can see how we can add more elements into this. Let's say if you want to add a video below this section, stay in touch. So just all you have to do is to simply click on this plus button. After this you have to select how many columns you need in this section. Then let's say if you want to show 2 videos, then you can select this 2 column section. After this you can see there's a 2 plus sign, then we can add the videos to it. Go to double click on here 3 line. Now after this you can see there are tools, basic tools to add the heading, inner images, videos, buttons, divider, spacer, etc. Icons also, forms, and after below that there are pro section to add advanced options like gallery, post, portfolio, and many more like reviews. Below that you can see more options. So these are the many options. We need a whole playlist on Elementor to learn every settings. For now I'm showing how to add videos. It is just a drag and drop. You can simply just use the drag and drop to put the videos. Now after putting the video sample, you can simply click on this edit video icon and change the link to your video. If you can upload the video to YouTube and put the YouTube video link here in the link section. If you want to upload the video to your site without uploading to YouTube, then you can change the option from here to self-hosted. Now you can simply upload the video file to show here. So this is the way how you can upload video to your site and make the changes in template which we have just installed. After making the changes, you can simply click on this update button and it will get ready to show on a live site. After this you can simply exit from here. So this is how you can make the changes to your site using Elementor Page Builder. This is a small demo to show the changes, and we need a different playlist to show each and every setting in the Elementor plugin. Now we will see how we can make the changes in header and footer, which we can't do if we use the Elementor Page plugin. There are some more settings in the appearance section. You click on this customize. We are going to see now how we can make the changes in header and footer. Okay, now from here you can see there's a header, and now you can see these pencil icons. This means that you can now edit this the menu section, this button, and also the footer. Let's say we want to edit the logo, then simply click on this pencil button. Now you can change the logo from here. I am assuming that you are complete beginners, so I am pointing out and explaining very small things. Now if you want to change this button, then you can simply click on this and the setting will appear here. Sometime if you want to change your home page to a different page, then there is the option in extra theme, home page setting. Go to this, select the another page and select, you can choose any page as your home page. So whenever person visit your site link, then this page will appear first. So this is how you can reset your home page to some other page. Now I'm not going to change the page. After making changes, you can simply click on this publish button and the change will get come in effect. Okay, now we can change the menu from here. You can adjust the width of the sub menu. Okay, now if you want to change the position of these things, then you simply use the drag and drop from here. See how easily we can change the position of the images, logo. You can add more items to it. Just click on this plus button and you can see different options to add more. Let's say if you want to add the login section, then just click on this. Now this is the icon to log in to the site. So this that way you can add more options. See, I have added the social icon. So you can add anything in the header and footer using these options. You can also get 3 lines to add as many things as you want. Also you can do creative things. Similarly, you can add the photo also. If you click on this icon, pencil icon, then you can first change the layout. Let's say if you want to change to this layout or this layout, you can easily change it. You can change the logo from here, and if you want to change this email address to something else, see how easy you can change everything, all the thing. Now you can change header and footer from here. This is how you can change the header and footer. So that's it for this video, and in the next video we will see how we can create a business email. From business email I mean something like admin, contact, support, support@yourwebsite.com or your website.xyz, or you @your website. So for creating the business email, there's a whole lot different process, and we will see many other options in it. So for this video, that's it. Thank you.